What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a futures day trade. Check it out. Alright guys, so before we jump right on into the actual trade itself, we're going to go over an important lesson, an essential lesson, which is part of what happened to me in this trade. Yesterday, which was Monday, the 18th, the SPY it was on a rampage. Like, that thing was a monster all day long. Boom, 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 just grinding upward. Okay. Towards the end of the day itself, I expected a pullback. Towards just like the final few minutes before the bell rang at 4, I expected a pullback. So I said, you know what? I'm going to go check out my futures chart. I'm going to see what's going on there. Maybe I got a shot at, a nice little move to the downside. I can get short some MES contracts, micro E-minis, and maybe make some profit there. So that was my thought process behind the trade that you're gonna see me take here. Now, my entry was perfectly fine. There was no problem with my entry. In fact, the trade is profitable. The problem that I had here was that it was a last minute plan and a last minute attempt at making a trade yesterday. Yesterday, I waited around all day long for something to trade, and when we started the day, we had such a big gap up in the SPY that I think I tweeted about it. If you don't follow me on Twitter, link in the description section below. You can follow me on Twitter, where I said I expected the day to be kind of choppy. And it certainly was kind of choppy, and I took about 3 trades in the morning, and I just got chopped up. I only lost $60. So I figured it wasn't even worth doing a recap because there was literally nothing to recap. I tweeted that as well. So I was like, I stopped like around right before the market took off. I don't know what time it was. I didn't remember. I stopped trading. I just shut everything down and I said, all right, I'm done with this day. I'll check back towards the end of the day. That was my plan. I went about my day, okay, took care of everything else I had to take care of, YouTube, my regular businesses I manage, etc. And I decided to come back towards the end of the day. Now, it's a scattered last minute effort to maybe make some profit on the day. That was the idea behind it. However, since it's just like a quick thing that I wasn't mentally prepared for, I didn't think about it until towards the end of the day. I wasn't prepared. It wasn't like in the morning when I sit here and I have my lines drawn and I have my plan set and I sit here and I know what I'm going to do and where I'm going to do it. I didn't approach it that way, and that was a huge mistake in itself. I approached it in a last-ditch effort to have a trade on the day. So I sat down and I quickly, identified a level, and I got short. I got short via some MES contracts. I bought an initial entry, and then I was looking to add on what I would consider the trigger for the trade, and I had my stop and my take profits in mind. I knew where they were. All right. The trade worked out perfectly. However, I fumbled it. I fumbled it horribly. And I was really mad at myself for it, but I only have myself to blame. And it shows the importance of sitting at your platform with the plan in mind and with your mind set towards it, not scattered. You got to sit down. You can't just be rushing, sitting down. Oh, there it is. Boom, boom, click, click, click. No, you got to sit down and give yourself time to psychologically be ready, know where everything's at, where you're going to click, etc., so that you don't fumble the trade. Now, look at this. Let's go ahead. As we do this, I'm going to minimize my screen, my face cam here. As we do this, do me the quick favor, guys. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're new around here, I upload this kind of videos and other educational videos pretty much constantly. So typically it's about one video. There's 7 days in a week. I'll upload anywhere from 4 to 6 videos in a week. Generally once a day. Sometimes like today you'll have 2 videos, but that's a rarity. That happens maybe once or twice a month, if that. So if you're new around here, consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my videos. And if you are one of my long-term loyal subscribers, thank you guys very much. Appreciate the continued support. Remember to comment in the comment section. I've been asked how to support the channel. If you smash the like button, comment in the comment section, guys, that's tremendous support. Now you can see here I'm in 3 MES, okay, and I'm short. Right there, you see it short. This is my futures trading broker. It's Optimus Flow. Okay. If you want to contact them, there's a link in the description section below. Let them know I sent you. Okay, and they're gonna take really good care of you. These guys are awesome. Talk directly to either Matt or Jake. They're gonna go ahead and take real good care of you. Let them know where you came from, and they, that'll make sure that you're taken care of. Okay, the platform is awesome, super fluid, super easy to work with, and super fast. The executions are great. I really like them. So now I'm in here short these 3 MES, and my stop is just right here. Right here, this 29.57 area, boom, break over that. Chances are we're gonna screw these right up to 29.65. So that's my stop, real tight stop. I'm in 29.55. Okay. For those of you that are new to futures and don't know, an MES contract is a micro E-mini. Each 1 point move it does is the equivalent of $5. So I have 3 of them. Each 1 point move is going to equate to $15 in this case. Okay, what I'm looking for is I want to see some red. I want to see it heavy. I want to see a break underneath this. I'm going to add. That's my plan. Add. Right, double up. I want to get 6 contracts at that point. Right, so each $1 point move, each $1 point move at that point is going to equate to $30. And I'm looking to take some off at 29.50. Okay, and I'm looking to take the rest off down here in front of 29.40. I'm not sure we're gonna get down there, but in front of 29.45, 29.42 are gonna be probably my final 2 take profits, leaving 1 contract on to see if we're gonna get maybe some nasty sell off. That's the plan. Now I do have 2 live trades recorded here. We're gonna go over both of them. Now we're getting lots of red on the tape. Okay, we're not breaking up over 29.57. Look at all that red. That's what I wanted to see. When I saw that, I was like, bet, this time to start getting ready to add. Look at that. Right there, I go to add. I covered. I didn't realize that I had moved the little tab from sell to buy. And instead of adding to my position, doubling up, to 6 contracts, I end up covering the full position. I was so mad. I screamed at my monitors, and I was just mad. I mean, there's just it was my fault. I was not focused enough. I was just not focused enough. I was rushing. I was literally rushing the trade, and I got punished. I got punished in the sense that I didn't make all the profit I could have made. This would have been an awesome trade because the trade does trigger completely. Check it out. Here comes the rest of it. I jump back into it here. Okay, remember, I'm short from up here, 29.55. I was trying to add at 29.52-ish, 29.53. I was trying to add right in here. We dumped all the way down to 29.45. That's a 10-point move from where I was short at 29.55 to 29.45. Let's say I would have gotten 8 points there. That's a nice trade. That is a very, very nice trade. Okay, this could have easily been a $200-300 winner. Easily, with no risk. We're talking about like a 3-point risk for a shot at 10 points. This was a good risk-reward setup, and I fumbled it. Then, I tried to scalp a little bit here. I got 3 contracts there. I think I double up on it and hold the other 3 for break even. So I'm trying to add, to the profit. I think right around here I add. Oh no, I just start selling them. Okay, so I only have 3 contracts here. I'm up $56 on those. I thought maybe we get a test of 29.40. So, as soon as we get the extension move down here to 29.43, I take off 2 contracts right there. Boom. And now I have 1 contract. So that 1 contract, I said to myself, okay, we're going to hold the stop basically at break even on that single contract that's left. And we're going to see if we can get down here to his 29.37, 29.40, 29.35. Like, we're going to see how far long we can ride this. The plan was, as we drop, I move my mental stop down so that I always leave the trade with profit. And I'm just going to write it down. Who knows how far I can write it down, right? If it continues to dump and it never triggers my mental trailing stop, then I can write this down for, who knows, another 10, 20 points, maybe more, depending how much we want to dump. So that's the idea behind the last contract. Now we start to get a little bounce here. Okay, we're already, it's past 4 o'clock. Getting a little bounce. We're seeing a lot of green. Remember, I was expecting this zone, this 2942, 2940 area to be a potential bounce zone or bounce level. And we start to get that little action there. I'm like, okay, well, this is perfect. If we put in a wick here and, maybe we just sell it off. Seen it happen a bunch of times. See, it starts to look weak. But then we get more green hitting the tape. Look at the green hitting the tape. Watching that price action. We get up there, boom. And I'm like, all right, I'm going to take it off. Take it off right there, break even. And that was it. I don't have any more recording on it. I really don't remember what happened afterwards. However, I still made like about $60-something. It's all good, a little profit there. But guys, if you sit down and you're scattered, you're not mentally focused, it's not worth trading. In my opinion, it's just simply not worth trading. It cost me money yesterday. I could have easily, guys, I was short up here at 29.55. I was trying to add at 29.52. We're going off at 29.42 and change down here. This was an easy 10-point move, over 10 points with 6 contracts. Do the math. But I wasn't focused. I wasn't laser focused, and it cost me money. It cost me money in the sense that I only made $60-something where I should have made $250, $300, right? Because I wasn't focused. So let that be a lesson. We got to go to bed, sleep well, wake up rested. End of the day, if you're going to take a trade, get in there and start to slowly creep your way into it mentally. If you've been away for most of the day, don't jump in and click buttons. It doesn't work, all right? Because this could have been bad, right? I could have fumbled this in a different way. Instead of making $60, I could have been down money. But at least I was able to, manage it somehow there and take a couple little scalps and add to the day. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. What's your worst fumble? Drop it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.